Rosedale Station. Doors will open on the right. Line 1, Fort Vaughn. Please stand clear of the doors.
Hey everyone, it is Saturday, December the 12th. The time is 1:06 p.m. and the temperature outside is 4 degrees Celsius. I'm here at Rosedale Station, which is located just north of downtown Toronto. And the plan for this one is to head out to Yonge Street, where I will walk south through downtown down to Front Street, and then I'll pop into Union Station. It is raining somewhat lightly, and I don't have an umbrella with me. Hopefully that doesn't prove to be too much of a challenge. This is Crescent Road. I have exited out onto. And straight in front of me there is Yonge Street. The rain's not so bad, it's just a matter of if water gets on the camera lens or not. There are a few dollar stores along the way which should be open to in-store shopping, so if it turns out to be a problem, perhaps I'll just pause the video and pop in and buy an umbrella. There's Ramsden Park, just on the west side of Yonge. They were running shuttle buses today between Finch and Eglinton Station, so I had to take the bus, Finch to St. Clair Station. So I took the bus from Eglinton to St. Clair. Then I had to wait for the subway and take that 2 stops south. So this neighborhood to my left is the affluent Rosedale neighborhood. And it's actually been quite a while since I did one of these walks straight down Yonge Street. I live stream this route fairly often, but I haven't recorded this kind of video in quite a while. Looks like we have a disabled bus accompanied by some paramedics, and there's a TTC vehicle in front of it. It says transit supervisor, so There's got to be some story happening with this. I am currently just to the north of downtown. By most definitions, downtown starts at Bloor Street, which is probably around 3 or 4 blocks to the south of here, so we'll be there soon. And I'm starting to think leaving my camera exposed like this to the rain is perhaps not the best idea. It's raining a little heavier than it was when I left. And here's a Canadian Tire. I suppose I could pop into there and pick up an umbrella as well. Perhaps that wouldn't be the worst idea in the world. I guess it's just a matter of how cheap I am. Yeah, let's do it. I'm going to stop the video for a minute and pop into Canadian Tire and see if I can get an umbrella. I don't normally stop my videos midway like this, but I think it's necessary. All right, I'll be back in a few minutes. And we're back. I had to exit Canadian Tire from the other side. And you'll be pleased to know that I'm not carrying an umbrella. I went in there, and for such a large store that supposedly carries all kinds of useful items, they only have one umbrella. And it was 30 bucks, so I kind of said, screw that. And it's actually raining a lot lighter than it was. I can still make it across. This is Church Street on the left. And there is Davenport Road on the right. A few days ago I did a walk all the way down Church Street from north to south. And just on my left is the Toronto Reference Library. And just up ahead here is the entrance to the Yonge subway station. Here you could grab the Line 2 subway train, which runs east to west, or you could jump onto Line 1, which heads north to south. Although, as I mentioned, you can only go as far north as St. Clair this weekend. It feels like this weekend and pretty much every other weekend they've been closing the northern part of the line for the construction they're doing, installing the new signaling system. And I think currently Line 1 is closed between Shepherd and Finch. Not just on weekends, but throughout the week as well. There's a look at One Bloor East, or rather, that is One Bloor West. That will be one of the tallest residential buildings in the country once it's completed. So that was the intersection of Yonge and Bloor I just passed through, and it looks like I've stumbled upon some kind of protest. See if I can make out what this is here. It seems to be Ontario farmers who are holding this protest. I'm not sure exactly what the contentious issues are. But I am going to give this umbrella thing another crack. It has started to rain just a little bit more. Hopefully this works. I'll see you on the other side. And again, we are back. This time with a $3 umbrella in tow. Hey guys, today is Saturday, December 12th. It is 1:40 p.m. and the temperature right now is 4 degrees Celsius. This is Yonge Station in downtown Toronto, and that was the Line 2 east to westbound platform. And the plan for this one is to head up to Yonge Street, where I'll walk south and down to Front Street and then over to Union Station. And there's a look north up Yonge Street. It is raining pretty good right now. It was raining quite lightly when I left my home. In fact, I didn't even bring an umbrella with me. So I stopped in at a Dollarama and I bought this wonderful thing, which is already failed and blown inside out. Moral of the story, don't get your umbrellas from the dollar store, folks. Hey guys, it is Saturday, December the 12th. The time is 1:54 p.m. and the temperature right now is 4 degrees Celsius. This is Yonge Station in downtown Toronto. And that was the Line 2 east to westbound platform I just exited from. You can also catch the Line 1, which is a north to south running train. And this here is the exit to Yonge Street, where it has started to rain quite nicely. Just had to pop open my umbrella there. There's a look north up Yonge Street. Now I'm currently walking south along the east side of Yonge Street. And just up ahead is the intersection of Yonge and Bloor. On the right there is the future home of 1 Bloor West, which will be one of the tallest residential condos in the city. And when I left my home to come out and record this, it wasn't actually raining, so I didn't bring an umbrella with me. I had started to record and then it started coming down pretty good, so I popped into a Dollarama and bought an umbrella and started recording again. And that umbrella blew inside out and it wouldn't go back to normal, so I popped in and bought a second umbrella. I almost said third umbrella, but it was, or this is the third attempt at recording this video.